Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are on process video 181 entitled Summer Fave, and this is my third layout assignment featuring the June flavors of the month kit. It specifically features the, let me see here, the Echo Park Summer Ever mini kit, as well as the embellishment add-on kit. So this is also my assignment page for the Freaky Fast Friday challenge for this month. So if you are new to my channel or have never heard of this challenge, basically what it is that the ScrapRoom Kit Club provides you with certain paper and specific dimensions for that paper. Now you are to make a page using just those papers that you had cut and to make a design out of it. And so I really like how that really definitely makes things fast, because you are not having to think as far as like, how do I cut these papers, because it's already cut for you. It's also very effective if you want to do some, if you want to use your scraps. But with this one, I'm using new papers, and I just love how I am able to create a page that I wouldn't have normally created because of the specific parameters of the paper. So I'm using 3x4 photos, and I'm just kind of going to create a straight design. Now one of the papers that were part of the formula for Freaky Fast Friday is a 2x12 piece, and one of the rules of the Freaky Fast is that you have to use the papers that were given to you in the dimensions that were given. But I like to live a little, and I like to be a rebel, and so I kind of rebelled this month and cut that 2x4 into 4 half-inch strips so that I could create a border on my page. I don't know about you, but sometimes you have this, I have this kind of go-to, my eye just wants a border around my pages, and so when it didn't have a border, I couldn't live without that, so I created my own. And so I kind of deviated with the formula, so I'm sorry about that if I didn't follow the rules, but I'm sure you will, right? But I hope that this page will inspire you to create something with either the Freaky Fast Friday challenge or just something to use with your current stash. These photos are of my youngest son, and this is actually his first time in the pool. We have a good friend in town. They're actually moving, so we won't be able to enjoy their pool anymore, but we have enjoyed their pool all these years. And so this was a few years back, and I just wanted to document how this is his first year of being able to be in the pool. So that was fun. And I love how the colors of this specific collection, although it is summer, although it has some notes about beach because it has bikini photos and you know, beach umbrella, it is not very, like, the colors are not too blue and water related. So the blues in my photos really stood out against all of the very kind of pastel-y colored background. And then there were 3 square papers in the formula that I turned into a diamond, and then decorated that with some stickers. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.